Oh yeah, Ja, you gotta hit him back, bro. Smash Ja Morant, however you say this dude. Like, Ja, you gotta push this dude Morris back. Another Jay Morant highlight. How many Jay Morant highlights are there? Jay Morant. What they won't tell you about Zion Williamson. Spot taking Zion Williamson, but now you seen Zion Williamson has been playing pretty good. Hey man, we got Zion Williamson, top plays of 2019-2020. Such a playoff position late. Look at Zion. Nice. Nice, Zion. Odell Beckham? Bro, Beckham really went to the Cleveland Browns to show off an AP watch, bro. Odell Beckham low-key's falling off, bro. Let's admit that, bro. Bro, you know what's funny? Bro, we might get Odell Beckham. Odell Beckham. Bro, Odell Beckham, man. Come on.
Okay.
Bro, that was weak as hell. Bro, I would literally block that if Jokic was trying to do that. If Jokic was trying to do that. See, like, this dude Jokic kicked the ball. Let's start off with the one on the left. This Jokic dude, bro.
He's a really good player.
Jokic is not like that, bro. When did he get a three-pointer? Did you see this shit? Embiid can shoot threes. I'm done. Joel Embiid back at it again being casual. Look at Joel Embiid. Embiid is lazy walking on the court. You know you're salty, Embiid. Imagine letting Embiid of Joel make a three, bro. Embiid of Joel celebration, man. Damn, Embiid of Joel.
Bro, Siakam, my nigga. This nigga is literally, man. Siakam is never gonna make a fucking all-star team in his life, my nigga. Just make.
This is exactly why Siakam is Siakam, bro. For a Pascal Siakam interview, man, please. Even this dude, Pascal Siakam, dude. Alex Caruso literally did a simple move and they missed, of course. There was no way that was Alex Caruso, bro. Caruso Alex? And the Caruso of Alex, dude. Caruso of Alex hasn't got no clock at all this game, bro. Leaving Danny Green open.
Yeah, I would have smacked the fuck out of Danny Green, bro. Get that, bro. Danny Green needs to be suspended for like 58 games, my nigga.
You know what I'm saying? The Green of Danny, dude. Green of Danny, dude. That was a nice pump fake. To layup. We got Green Danny. Oh, he's watching. Ain't no way Ben Simmons leads the NBA in steals. You know it's pretty sad when Ben Simmons should be able to shoot threes, but he doesn't. He's a terrible shooter. Ben Simmons is a casual with that rim grazer. Thinks he's hard. Joel, Simmons of Ben.
Simmons of Ben.
Pacer.